Hey there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Chat GPT, an artificial intelligence software, to generate over $1,000 per day passively. Yes, you heard it right. All you need is to type in a couple of sentences to Chat GPT and boom, you generate $300. Now, imagine typing in a couple more sentences, and boom, $3,000 earned passively. No experience or money is required. So, without further ado, let's jump right into it. Step 1. Research. First, let's take a look at a successful Etsy store that sells habit trackers. This store has 3,024 sales with an average price of $30 per planner. That means they have generated over $90,000 from selling this planners. Habit trackers are a popular sub-niche product on Etsy, with people willing to pay $5 to $40 for them. Step 2. Create an Etsy store. To get started, go to Etsy.com and click on Sell. Then, follow the instructions to set up your store. All you need is a Gmail account to get started. Name your store, and you're ready to move on to the next step. Step 3. Generate a habit tracker using Chat GPT. Now, it's time to use Chat GPT to create a habit tracker that you can sell on Etsy. To do this, go to OpenAI.com and click on Try Chat GPT. This will open up a new chat window. You can ask ChatGPT anything by typing in the chat box. Step 4. Ask ChatGPT the right questions. To create a habit tracker, start by typing in the chat box, "Can you please create a list of 5 habits that people should track to become a better person?" ChatGPT will generate a list of 5 different things that people should track to become a better person. These could include gratitude, exercise, mindfulness, reading, and giving back to others. Then, ask ChatGPT to create a habit tracking spreadsheet based on these 5 things. Step 5. Customize the habit tracker. ChatGPT will generate a habit tracking spreadsheet for you. Take a look at it and make any necessary changes. You can ask ChatGPT to split the columns into separate days, change the layout, or add additional details. Step 6. Design your habit tracker on Canva. Go to canva.com and search for habit tracker in the search bar. Choose a template that suits your preference. Select the minimalist design, as it works well for habit tracking. Step 7. Customize the template. Within Canva, customize the template by adding the habits generated by ChatGPT. Add subheadings for each habit and fill in the details accordingly. You can modify the size, color, and position of the text boxes to align with your vision. Don't forget to add spaces for each day of the week. Step 8. Finalize and download. Once you're satisfied with the design, make any final adjustments, such as changing the background color or adding your branding elements. When everything looks perfect, click on the Share button and then select Download. Save the habit tracker to your device. Step 9. Sell your habit tracker on Etsy. Create a listing for your habit tracker on Etsy. Add appealing photos of the product to showcase its design and features. Write a compelling description that highlights the benefits of using the habit tracker and how it can improve the user's life. Set a competitive price for your product, considering the market value and the effort you put into customizing it. Step 10. Promote your Etsy store. To drive traffic and sales to your Etsy store, take advantage of social media platforms and online communities. Create engaging posts showcasing your habit tracker and its benefits. Join relevant Facebook groups, subreddits, or forums where people are interested in personal development or habit tracking. Share your product and engage with potential customers to build awareness and credibility. Step 11. Fulfill orders and provide excellent customer service. Once you start receiving orders, make sure to fulfill them promptly. Print and package the habit trackers professionally to leave a positive impression on your customers. Provide excellent customer service by promptly responding to inquiries, addressing concerns, and resolving any issues that may arise. Positive reviews and satisfied customers will help boost your store's reputation. Step 12. Scale your business. As your Etsy store gains momentum and generates consistent sales, consider scaling your business. You can create more habit tracker designs, expand your product range to related niches, or even consider selling on other platforms like Amazon Handmade or your website. Continuously gather customer feedback and make improvements to enhance your product offerings. Congratulations! You have learned how to generate over $1,000 per day passively by leveraging ChatGPT and selling habit trackers on Etsy. Remember, success will come with persistence, creativity, and delivering value to your customers. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel for more money-making online strategies. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.